How to create Uber driver's account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Uber driver application on your device. You will be led to the login page of Uber Driver. Here you will see various ways on how you can log in. You can log in using your mobile number or email, or you can also log in using your Apple account or your Google account. For today's video, I will log in using my Google account. So if you are trying to log in using your Google account too, then tap on the Sign in with Google option. Now, in the confirmation that appears, tap on the Continue button, and when prompted, tap on Continue again. Further, go ahead and enter your login credentials for Google and then tap on Continue again, and with this, your account for Uber driver will be created, as you can see here on the screen. You can now go ahead and complete the verification process by setting up all the documents needed for your account. So this is how you can create Uber driver's account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.